guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be doing an eyeshadow tutorial using the James Charles Morphe palette. I'm obsessed with this palette, oh my god. But before we begin, make sure to leave a like and comment what I should do in my next video. Also, if you are not subscribed already, please subscribe so you can continue to see more tutorials. One more thing before we start, if you do not have the James Charles palette, don't worry. You can still follow along just using different colors that you have in your palettes, or you can even change up the look if you like. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, I'm going to put my hair up into a bun because it just makes it easier for me to do my makeup. For my eye base, I will be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in shade Light Medium. I'm going to blend out the concealer with this small beauty sponge and then use my finger. But I'm not going to set it with powder because I find that with this palette, the stickier the base, the better the eyeshadows stick on. Like I said, I'm going to be using the James Charles palette today to create this look. I'm going to be using 6 shades from the palette, and I'm going to be creating a brownish-greenish eye look. First shade I'm going to use is the shade Punch Me. I'm going to take that shade on a fluffy BH Cosmetic brush. I'm going to keep this shade high up in the crease and blend it out till it's smooth. The next shade I'm going to be using is the shade T. I'm going to take this shade on a Morphe R39 brush. I'm going to blend this second shade T under the first shade Punch Me and using back and forth motions, swiping side to side. I'm going to continue blending the shades together until there are no more harsh lines. Now we're going to take the shade Benny on a Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush and a mix of the R39 brush from before. I'm going to place this shade in the outer corner and the inner corner of my eye. And just continue blending until there's no more harsh lines between all the colors. If you ever feel like you lost any of the first 2 colors, you can either take the first fluffy brush or this R39 brush and add more of the first 2 colors into your look. Now we're going to use the shade Social Blade. Now for this shade, even though it's a matte, I'm just going to use my finger. I just prefer it that way. You can use a brush, but I'm just going to use my finger because I find that it works better this way. And with this color, you're just going to place it in the center of your lid. Now we're going to take the shade Guac. Once again, I'm going to apply this color with my finger. You can use a brush, but I prefer my finger, and I'm just going to apply it right in the center, right on top of that other green shade we applied first. I'm going to take some more Benny on an E36 and fill in the color that got lost when I placed the green color down. Now I'm going to go in with a fluffier brush to make sure everything's well blended. Now I'm going to go in with this brown eyeliner and line my waterline. So my footage got messed up, and before I lined my waterline, I put Punch Me, T, and Benny on my lower lash line, keeping Punch Me closest to the inner corner, T in the center, and Benny towards the outer corner. For this, I used a Morphe E36. So the eyeshadow portion is now complete, so I'm going to go off camera and do my liner and lashes. The last eyeshadow color I will be using is Wig on an E36 to highlight my inner corner. And now I'm going to do the rest of my face makeup off camera, and I'll be right back. So this is the finished makeup look. I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. I wasn't liking it so much when I was doing it, but it turned out better than I expected. And this is what it looks like up close. I did eyeliner and everything off camera, and I did my base off camera. So I think it came out pretty good. And this is the finished look with my hair down. I would probably wear this green eyeshadow look with a green jacket. Maybe not this black t-shirt. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but I think this looks really well and turned out. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. So give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and comment down below if you tried this look at home and what you thought. And tag me in any pictures of you doing the look. I'd love it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Really? Nova? Nova? Really? You're in the way. Oh my god. Nova, get down. Sis is not going anywhere today. Sis is going to go shower and sleep. Goodbye. Look at how orange my foundation is. Actually, it's actually not that bad. I need a new foundation. If you were curious, the foundation I used is Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation. Oh my god. For the most part, I'm clean. I'll wash the rest off. I need to paint my nails. Ew.